Hello, university students. Thank you for tuning into my video today. Today, we have a very cool and creative video. You know how like when you're in school and, instead of the teacher giving you a lesson, they give you an activity? That's what we're gonna do today. I was brainstorming, and I got this bright idea. What would be a really cute and fun creative gift to give somebody that you love who also loves to either knit or crochet? A yarn bouquet. I know that sometimes yarn can be expensive depending on the brand, but today we're only using items from Dollar Tree. The things that I picked up to make this, they aren't like ideal. Like I was looking for skewers, like marshmallow skewers or whatever, to stick into the flour or to stick into the yarn, but I couldn't find it. So I improvised and I got some straws, and if St. Patrick's Day wasn't coming up, these straws probably wouldn't have been there. So thank you, St. Patrick's Day. Got 3 packs of straws. I have this like metallic kind of wrapping paper. I got these, they're mesh tubes. I was hoping to like stick the straw in it to make it more of a less noticeable that it's a straw. I had got these, I've never really seen these at Dollar Tree before, but I said if it's there, it's meant to be, and it's probably would be a really good addition to the flowers. It'll probably make it look a little more fuller. I got white yarn, gray yarn, this blue yarn, so this darker blue, and I also have this wrapping paper. I also got some tape because I don't know where my hot glue gun is. The first thing that I did was stick the straw through the mesh tube, and it was really easy. It actually fit like a glove. And then I cut off the excess mesh. And it may be hard for you to see here, but all I'm doing is taping up the ends. I had regular tape, but I think this project will work a little better if you had double-sided tape. So after I tape up the ends, I then put after I tape up the ends, I put some more tape around the straw, but this time the tape is facing outwards, so the sticky part is going to stick onto the yarn. And then you take your yarn ball and you stick the straw or your stem as far as you can stick it in there without being able to see it at the top. And I will say that I think the tape was a better idea because then you still get to use the yarn. If I was to use the hot glue gun, it probably would just be a stationary like piece. I wouldn't be able to take it apart and actually use the yarn. Once you put all your yarn on the stems, aka your flowers, then you can just arrange it how you want your bouquet to look. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not the best at wrapping things, so I'm just gonna wrap it the best of my ability. And to be honest, after I wrapped it the first time, I took a second one and I wrapped it again, and then I just scrunched it all up. But hey. This project was only $21. So what's your excuse for not getting them a Valentine's Day gift? Nothing. All right, your university students, class is dismissed. Thank you for watching. And ask yourself this serious question. Why haven't you subscribed yet?